let us see how to get rental income. Rental income. So many have the doubts in this rental income concept. Monthly rental income concept. Rental income concept. Let us assume you want to start one business. Let's say you want to take some franchisee or like 5-star chicken, or you want to start one provision store, or you want to some business means, you know, at this 2021 at least you need 10 lakh rupees. I hope you are understanding. 10 lakh is a minimum amount required to start any business at present. That is a minimum, I'm telling. You need in crores also, but let us assume 10 lakhs is ideal capital. What you need to do is 10 lakh rupees worth you buy Nifty Bs. Nifty Bs, you know that Nifty will be going lifelong upside only. Nifty Bs you buy it for lifelong. Let's say 10 lakh rupees worth Nifty Bs you buy. So for 10 lakhs, let us assume. So how many shares you'll get? Let us assume some 1000 quantity, 1000 or 2000 quantity you get. Let us assume 1000 quantity you got. Nifty Bs. 1000 quantity you got. Now, if Nifty goes up, you know, Nifty Bs will go up and you get some income. Let's say Nifty moved up by 5% this month. 5% Nifty moves up, you'll get how much money? 50,000 rupees you get. You can run a family with this money. Nifty moved up, sir. I got profit, sir. I booked that profit. I enjoyed 50,000. I'm running the business. I got 50,000 profit. Next, sir, what if Nifty falls, sir? Next question. Sir, what if Nifty falls or Nifty stays sideways? I'm using the word Nifty stays sideways or Nifty is going to fall. Anyhow, you will not remove Nifty base. What I'm telling, you will not remove Nifty base. What you can do is you can sell at the money call or OTM call. OTM call. I'm using the word sell ATM call or OTM call. You know, at the money call and OTM call will become zero on expiry date. Let us assume the premium is 300 rupees. 300 into 75. So how much is this one? Calculator. I think you have calculators.
300 into 75.
300 into 75. Mathematics.
22,500.
Yes.
22,500.
22,500 is your free gift for you. So what I am telling, sir, Bank Nifty Bs, if Bank Nifty Bs goes up or Nifty Bs goes up, you are making money. You can encash that money and you can use it for your personal use. Let's say it is not going up. It is not going up. This month, market is staying flat or market is going to crash. So in this case, how to generate income is sell at the money call or OTM call, so that anyhow it will become zero. The premium, you know, it will become zero. Whatever in the white color, it will become zero at the money and ATM. OTM and ATM at the money and out of the money and at the money will become zero. So this is how we can generate easily 22,000 or 10,000 or 5,000. Some income can be generated using Nifty Bs. The same logic you can apply for shares also. You buy shares worth, let's say HDFC Bank. You buy HDFC Bank. What is the lot size? 600. HDFC. You buy 600 shares of HDFC and you sell at the money or OTM calls. Let's say HDFC is not going up this month. You sell at the money or OTM call. Anyhow, the call premium will become zero. You sold at 300. Let us assume you sold at 50. It becomes zero. Lot size is 600. 600 into 50. So you can make 30,000. This is how we can generate rental income. But you need more capital for generating a rental income. So this is a rental income concept. I've explained.
So, sir, if you are buying Nifty Bs, then we'll get any premium less for selling this one, sir? Call option.
No, sir.
Here.
There is no connection between this fellow and that fellow. This is
Okay.
lifelong you can hold. This is temporary.
Okay. Sir, then it will be applicable in individual shares, this one. Then like this concept, if you are going, so if you are, as you said that HDFC Bank, if you are buying that share and we are selling the ATM of HDFC call. So then that premium will be reduced or what? Anything we will be getting or what? Because
No,
we are
no benefit. There is no connection at all. That is cash market.
okay.
This is different market. That is cash
Okay.
market. This is F&O market. There is no connection at all between those two.
Okay.
So whatever profits you are getting from cash market, it is cash market profit. Whatever you are getting profits from option selling, that is option selling. That is derivative market profit. But the only
Okay.
thing you have to assume or predict that this month market will not move upside, sir, because HDFC has huge resistance there. Bad news. I think the results are also not up to the mark. I guess. I think you already know that results. HDFC Bank results are not up to the mark. So how it
Yeah.
opens tomorrow is a big question. If HDFC Bank crashes next week,
That is ultra bullish of this one, bearish, ultra bearish HDFC. as of now.
HDFC Bank is near the support zone. I think that support will be broken
Sir,
coming days.
sir, it's showing good profit and all now, sir. Why? But why is it still falling? HDFC Bank ಬೀಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. Q4 ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ.
The HDFC Bank history, if you check, mainly HDFC Bank is a favorites for Europeans. Europeans have invested in HDFC huge way.
ಓಕೆ, ಯುರೋಪ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ HDFC ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ.
They are trying to pull out the money. So usually FIs are pulling out some money from HDFC. This is common, sir. This is common. This is a cycle. This is a cycle. Again, HDFC Bank will be on top. And
but fundamentally they are very strong, sir. I've seen that is a bank which is having the fundamental is very good compared to any other bank.
So there is some credit card issue. Government is not allowing them to sell the credit cards, and recently they had an internet banking issue. Internet banking was not at all working for HDFC Bank. These are all some minor issues, temporary issues. This is not a permanent or a bad news. This is a small temporary glitch in the share price. Also, it's happening. There is a small selling pressure there. So this is a good buying opportunity. So keep on adding HDFC banks on dips like this. I think HDFC Bank can easily slide to 1250.
Okay.
1250 range ali it can fall. That is a golden chance.
ಸರ್, ಇದು ರೆಂಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಸೆಲ್ ATM ಕಾಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ like at what time we have to exit? Is it on the exactly expiry date or?
Yes. Anyhow, full sweep ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ expiry ವರೆಗೂ wait ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Clean sweep, if you want to do this clean sweep of the money.
ನಿಫ್ಟಿ ಬೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು
Yes sir.
Lot size ಏನು Manoj sir, Nifty Bees
one share also you can buy. This is a share. This is like a share. There is no lot size.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, options also
75.